guys, it's your favorite girl. And I'm back with the full install tutorial. So that was the hair, and the link is going to be in the description. And she didn't really want me to record the ball cap process, which I'm not fully advanced with that yet, so it wasn't a problem. But yeah, so right there I just sprayed down the lace with some got to be spray, and I'm pulling the hairs back so it don't get stuck underneath the lace when I put it up. And yeah. So I speeded up the process a little bit right here, and I'm just putting the lace on. I was type scared, y'all, because the wig was not going on her head. And I was trying to figure out why, but y'all finna see why. My dumb self did not have the wig on, like, in the back. Like, it was not on correctly, so it was stopping the wig from fitting. But I'm just pushing the hair back right there, trying to get the hair from underneath the lace and whatnot. So right here, I'm about to cut around her ear because the lace was actually, I think this is a 13 by 6 because the part was real long. But as you can see right there, the wig was not fully on, and I didn't know that. So I'm going to end up fixing it in a little bit. But yeah, I'm just cutting around the ear, trying to get it to fit around her forehead, obviously. Dead all in the camera. I'm weak, but here's me fixing the wig and putting it on, and it ended up fitting perfectly. And I'm still trying to lay the lace down. It was not laying down, but as you can see, like, the lace is good. Like, it was already given wet lace, and the lace was still intact. You feel me? But yeah, I'm still trying to flatten it out. It was not sticking, y'all. Like, I was getting scared. That's why I kept looking at that camera. I'm like, hold on. Might have to stop this. So right here, I'm just splitting the lace in 3 parts because that's how I usually do it. I leave the 2 sides and then the middle, and I work on each section. So that's what y'all finna see. And I parted it. I usually go in and part it like in random ways and just spray so that it can have that stay stuck. Like, if somebody yank your shit, it's not coming off. You feel me? But I'm blow drying it right here. Oh God, don't let me start stuttering, please. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. And as you can see, the lace was lifting as I was combing. So it was time to lift that joint up and put some more lace glue. So that's exactly what I did. And excuse my face because I look so mad. I don't know. I was real concentrated. I just knew I was going to eat this up. But here's me putting more lace glue. And one thing about it, a piece of hair can always be stuck to that comb. And I'm blow drying. I don't know why I'm all the way in front of the camera like this, but I was blow drying it. And they said wait till it's clear, but child bye. It ended up being clear. So right here, I'm just flattening out the lace, and it actually stuck this time because as you can see, I put more lace glue. Sorry if I'm sniffing too much or if I end up sniffing too much, y'all. It's cold as all I get out here. But yeah, y'all can see the lace glue end up disappearing. And don't mind the little dot, that's going to disappear too. But here's me cutting it now. And yeah, like at this moment, I knew I was finna eat this because when I cut that lace, y'all finna see, hold up. That shit was giving scalp. Look at her peeking, girl. But I had to go back in and put some more lace glue just in the corner because I missed the spot, I guess. And y'all, the lace glue was real messy, but that lace glue, I'm gonna end up putting it at the end. That lace glue work, y'all. Like, that motherfucker work. I need to start using that one. But the one I use is good too. I might put that one at the end too. So here's me going in and taking potential edges out before I pluck a little bit. I'm taking the sides out. And this is just the first section. As you can see, the lace in the middle is still there, and you can't see that, but the lace on the other side is still there. So I go by sections, and I just make sure it's flat and down. Here's where I made a ghetto hair bow because, y'all, I cannot maneuver that hair to save my life. So I ended up ripping the extra cap we had and making it a hair bow. Now that I'm thinking about it and rewatching this video, I did could have asked her for a hair bow, but you know, I'm a do-it-yourself kind of girl, so I made that hair bow quick and easy. But now I'm working on that side. Y'all can't really see it like that, but yeah, and here I go in the camera. So basically, everything I just did to the side that's facing the camera, I'm doing to the other side. And you can really tell, like, I be dedicated when I'm doing hair. Like, the focus was on. Look at my face. Now we going in with the blow dryer and making sure the lace glue is fully dry and clear. Because we don't want no crunchy looking lace, no white lace, no flaky lace, none of that. I know y'all can't see because of the direction she's facing, but I'm literally doing the same thing I just did on the side that's facing the camera. I'm taking out the edges and cutting the lace off. I said that backwards, but y'all get it. So here's the wig now, and as you can see, the lace is fully gone, like disappeared. You don't see no lace glue, you don't see no white stuff. Yeah. And I went to go clean off the stuff I had, but look at her, she feeling herself. Okay. So right here, I'm going in with more lace glue because the lace had like spaces in it where it was no lace glue and it was not down at all. So I'm just making sure my girl wig is secure and down to the fullest. Make sure when you're doing like an install, you always push hair back because we don't want the messy look. We want the clean look. Like it gotta be looking like it's coming out your scalp. And I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, that looks like it's coming out her scalp. I just gotta go in with a little pluck because it was too thick, but other than that, you see her. Now it's styling time, and this is my favorite part. So she wanted a middle part, and I'm just parting it down the middle. Y'all, I love deep parts. Like, that part was so deep. That's why I think it's a 13 by 6, because the part was deep, and I like that. But yeah, she wanted a middle part, so I didn't have no hot comb. So I'm using Got To Be Spray to lay like that down, because as you can see, like, that mess was bulky at the top. So what I'm doing here is pulling the actual edge swoops out and spraying the lace. Well, not the lace, but I'm spraying the hair back so like it could give a clean look. Y'all gonna see because I'm gonna end up doing it on the other side. But yeah, that Got To Be Spray, something else. Now I'm going in with makeup and concealing that part and the side swoops spaces because we don't want no lace to actually be lacing, you know? Like we want the lace to be like an illusion. Like, is that her real hair or is it not? I'm confused type, you know? So we're gonna do the same exact thing, and I'm not gonna talk y'all through it because y'all can see now. So we're gonna do the same exact thing on this side. And as you can see, I use like that Got To Be Spray method and pushing the hair back to give it like that cleaner look, and that's exactly what it gave. So when it comes to cutting your edges, you actually have to map it out because we don't want like the edges to be different sizes and all over the place. We want them to be identical to each other. So as y'all can see in a few, I'm about to actually map out how small or big my edge was on that side compared to the other side. She got me crying, bro. She looking like I'm ready to get the fuck out this chair. I understand, bro. I could not be the one to sit in the chair and get my hair done. That's why I do my own hair. Cause no way. But at this point, I'm just plucking it because it can look a little too dark to the point it looks wiggy. So I wanted to give it that effect. Like, no. Even though because it's a wig, it's not going to look exactly like your real hair. So do not expect it to because it's not. Sometimes it do, but I'm not no professional yet. I'm just getting started. And I'm only going to get better with this. So right now, it's not going to look like it's your real hair. But I'm not going to downplay my work because, I definitely did that. Yup. But I'm just combing out the hair I plucked. We got to get that up out the wig. And yeah, I did that. Okay, so this is my favorite part, and that's swooping these edges. Oh, God, I'm in front of the camera again. I'm going to move eventually. Y'all going to see. Hold up. So this first swoop was like perfect. Like that's when I knew like, yep, I got it in the bag. It's in the bag already. And I'm trying to perfect this side swoop. I feel like them sideburn swoops is the most important. And as y'all know, whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. So that's what I'm doing on the other side. And I used to be like a fan of the middle swoops, but with this particular hairstyle, no. No middle swoops. Just two side swoops and sideburns. I don't care if y'all don't like the big swoops. I like them. Look at that. Yup. It's my face for me. So now we basically finished. I'm just cleaning up the lace, pushing the hair back, and all I have to do now is wet the hair, lay it down. That's it. She can finally look now. She was feeling it, y'all. Y'all see it? She was feeling it. I was so excited, but she just handed me the water bottle, and I'm about to do exactly what I said, wet the hair and brush it down because it was too poofy. And when you brushing, you want to brush and wet the hair full out, because sometimes the top could be wet and then underneath could be still dry. So you want to brush thoroughly, if I'm saying that right, and just go through it. Make sure the whole head is flat and down. And then I'm going to go in with some Got2b spray and spray the top so I know it's secure and flat at the top. Got the 30-inch bust down.
Oh my goodness. So cute. Yes, you do. Ah! Yeah, this is so cute. Thank you. Lace wear. I'm obsessed.